I understand that many people are scared to ditch their utterly pointless and all too often sick-and-haired family court lawyers. But I am going to help you do just that, potentially saving you tens of thousands of pounds. I am Phil Kedge, the director of the brilliant McKenzie Friend UK network, and nothing I say constitutes legal advice because you don't need legal advice in the family court. And of course, my views and opinions are entirely my own. Now, if you watch this short vlog to the end, there is an amazing special offer for you, which is time limited. So your relationship is over and you are in a brain fog and you make the stupid mistake, yes, stupid mistake, of running off to a family court lawyer. Now, knowing that you are in a brain fog and vulnerable, your all too often sick in the head lawyer is going to now do everything that they can to keep you confused, anxious and disempowered, making you feel helpless and totally reliant on them so that they can transfer as much money from your bank account into theirs. And where I see family lawyers institutionally increase acrimony and conflict for their own financial gain. So how do you pull yourself out of that madness of handing over tens of thousands of pounds of your lifelong savings to pointless rip-off lawyers? Or from getting into lifelong crippling debt and to gain the brilliant support that you actually need, which is from a trained, vetted and trusted McKenzie Friend from the McKenzie Friend UK network. Okay, so here is a tip. If you insist on stupidly going with a family lawyer, the thing to do is to cap your first payments to £2,000. That is it, an absolute cap. Once that £2,000 has disappeared in a blink of an eye, stop and take stock. Ask yourself, what exactly did your lawyer do for £2,000, which you couldn't have done yourself, or which you couldn't have done with a trained and trusted McKenzie Friend from the McKenzie Friend UK network at about 1/10 of the cost? Yes, on average, for every £1,000 you pay to a family lawyer, we can often assist you for £100. You see, you don't need lawyers in the family court. Remember, a family lawyer cannot get you what you want, and there is no advantage to having a lawyer. Our trained and trusted McKenzie Friend members are independent McKenzie Friends who operate under their own terms and conditions. And they can support you on every aspect of your family court case. They can draft application forms, draft statements, gather and organise evidence, help with court bundles, help with your strategy and direction, and then sit next to you in court to quietly assist and to advise you. How brilliant is that? So, if you are currently under the claws of a rip-off family lawyer who are like vultures financially preying off the carcass of your broken relationship, stop and take that step back and contact me right now at contactphil.co.uk. Doing that today could save you tens of thousands of pounds. Now to finish off, as promised, onto that special offer. For those of you who visit my website at contactphil.co.uk, for a limited time, I am giving you a significant discount off our online McKenzie Friend and Family Court training course. For the similar fee of spending less than 1 hour with a pointless family lawyer, you can get a full 6 months access to my training course. You can learn all the essential steps and information to support your own case through the family court. What an unbelievable opportunity. I am looking forward to you signing up. Until next time, stay strong.